Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are safe and healthy. I, Ajit Singh from Colonel's Brightland Public School, will teach you computer of grade 3. So, student, this is a part 3 video for the chapter 3 Tux Paint. Students, let me describe about wavelet effects. The wavelet effect wiggles the pictures up and down vertical rather than side to side. Let us learn how to use this tool. Open a new canvas with the orange background. Draw the horizontal lines using the lines tool. Select the magic tool. Click on the wavelet effects from the subtool box. Click on the bottom of the drawing area to add taller waves to your background or to your drawing and observe the change. Printing a drawing. Tux Paint allow you to print your drawing on a paper. Open the drawing that you want to print. Select the print tool in the toolbar. A box appears on the screen. Click on Yes to print. You have learnt almost everything about the Tux Paint and its various tools. Draw more pictures by applying new effects and ideas for better understanding of the tools. Activity zone for you students. In this zone, we will discuss about let's draw a scenery in a new blank background. I hope you remember the various tools that you have studied in the previous class. Open a new file with a green background. Select the paint tool. Choose blue color to draw the pond. Now select the magic tool and then choose fill tool. Click in the pond to fill blue color in it. Now select the grass effect and choose dark green color. Draw some grass on the ground. Apply noise effect to the pond by using the noise effect of the magic subtool box. Now choose the flower tool and draw flowers of different colors. Select the paint tool. Draw stems of trees and fill brown color in it. Pick the vine tool from the brushes section. Draw the upper part of the trees as shown in the figure. Add cherries on the trees by using the stamps tool. Add two gander birds by using the stamp tool. Now select the starfish shapes tools from the brushes section of the paint tool. Wow! What a beautiful picture you have drawn. Let's know more. Noise effect is used to add grainy looks to an image by adding random variations in the in the brightness or in the color of an image. Recap for you students. Tux Paint gives us an option to draw beautiful patterns using the paint tool. Haze brush is a unique subtool that has a hazy appearance. Stamp tool is used to add ready-made images as stamps. Edges effect differentiate the edges from an already drawn image. Dip tool gives a dripping effect to the drawing. Rainbow effect draws a trail of rainbow colors as you drag the magic wand on the drawing area. Real rainbow allow you to draw a rainbow just like the one you see in the sky after a rainfall. Smudge tool mixes two or more colors smoothly to give wet look to a drawing. Waves and wavelet effects make any pictures wavy horizontally and vertically respectively. So thank you very much students to watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy.